Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use new effect on TikTok video. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store and App Store and search for this CapCut and tap on install. I am already installed. After this install app, go back your home screen and open your CapCut app, and after that tap on new project and select your any one video. For example this, and tap on add and tap on effect, tap on video effect. You as can see show trending effect. For example, tap on this. As can see, tap on this. You as can see, and you can tap on basic and tap on whole world. You as can see, tap on zoom. You as can see, and tap on this and tap on select and tap on this and tap on this and tap on delete and tap on this arrow, and this video is saved on your gallery. After that, open your TikTok app and tap on plus icon and type on upload and open your this video. As can see this video, type on next and tap on post. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.